This 15-piece set includes baking sheet, 2x2, cups, muffin pan, spoon, spatula, rolling pin, bowl with spout and gripping handle, measuring cup, 4 cupcakes and 4 chocolate chip cookies. Encourage imaginative play with this complete bake set. Features 4 cookies, 4 cupcakes, and includes a colorful rolling pin, mixing spoon, and spatula. The measuring cup, mixing bowl, and tray all feature easy-to-grip handles or little bakers. Ideal for ages 2+. Top reviews from the United States. So realistic. I got my kids a new kitchen set and ordered a few learning resource food sets to go with it. The quality is unmatched. I was a strong believer in Melissa and Doug. We had every set, not even kidding. And after purchasing these food sets I literally sold all my Melissa and Doug food and I couldn't be happier about that decision. These sets are so sturdy and realistic. My kids agreed they liked these way more. No hard wood, no color chipping and no boo-boos when one gets occasionally thrown. I know we've all been there. These sets are built to last and look forward to them being played with for years to come.